Hi there, I'm Roel, and today I would like to show you how to use 3D scanning for fast and efficient 3D inspection in maintenance, repair and overall, or in short, MRO. Beyond the raw materials and equipment needed for production, there is a lot that goes into a company's ability to keep things running smoothly. Facilities need to be kept in good condition, production and transportation equipment needs regular maintenance. During maintenance of equipment, such as a control valve, a pump, a turbine or a compressor, the components or pressure bearing parts need to be checked on their major dimensions. Based on rejected dimensions, the scope of the work will be assessed and a repair or modification can be made. Let us look at this disassembled valve here. The function of this is to close a pipe at high frequency by rotating the ball into its seats. It is important that these two holes are perfectly aligned to each other and perpendicular to the center line of the seat bore so that there is no leakage. If the ball does not sit correctly in its seat, the valve will not close and will leak fluid. By the use of the T-Scan Hawk 2, we can perform a 3D scan and a complete 3D inspection. Let's take it and make it. I will start with collecting the reference points. Next to this, I also put some reference points on the table so these points can be used to define the background plane. We do not want to collect data of the table. Now I can start scanning. With just one hit of the button on the sensor, we are able to scan the part from the top side. The T-Scan Hawk 2 has blue lasers and a large field of view, so it's easy to generate a lot of data at once. After complete scanning, I can finish and continue with the inspection, and in this case we can do some GD&T inspection. Let us inspect the concentricity of the two holes as well as their perpendicularity towards the center line of the seat bore. I can easily create a report. I can use a template to show me the 3D view and the inspection elements in a table. We see that the holes are not aligned to each other, and this means that the valve needs to be modified so we have a good closing valve. Repairs or modification on these kinds of parts are always done in accordance with the applicable guidelines within the PRDA. When modifications have been made, the valve is completely tested. Unlike with conventional measuring systems, you do not need to think upfront what to measure, as with 3D scanning you make a copy of your part and additional inspection can still be done afterwards. In this case we also want to inspect the bolt pattern on the flange. We can easily do this on the scan data. After modification, we can also use the 3D scanning to do quality control of the part. So, this should give you a good insight in how to use 3D scanning for 3D inspection and quality control in maintenance, repair and overall industry. For more how-tos, getting started tutorials, product updates or any other questions regarding 3D scanning, please visit handsonmetrology.com. You will find a link in the information section of this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.